I'm just going to show you how to do your chain. So the first thing you need to do is to put a slip knot onto your hook. So you just want to take the yarn in your hands like this, and then you take this yarn and you wrap it around your finger until it crosses over and makes an X like that. Then you take the piece on the right hand side and you pull it over like that onto the left, and you pull up this piece here that's now on the right until it makes a loop, and then you put your hook in that loop, take your finger out there, pull these two strands and then just tighten it onto the hook. Okay, and there is your slip knot. If you need to watch that again, just rewind the video. It might take you a few tries, but that's absolutely fine. It's just about practice, really. Okay, so then the way that I put the yarn around my hand is just I wrap it around a couple of times. Just makes it more secure, makes me feel more comfortable. Other people do different things, but it's up to you what works for you. Hold it secure, just so it's easier for you and more secured as you're crocheting. And then all you're going to do in order to create the chain is just take the yarn and put it over the hook like that, and then just pull it through slowly. Pull it through that hole there, that gap. And you're going to do that again. Yarn over, pull it through just like that. And again, yarn over, pull it through. As you yarn over and pull through here, you might just pull your hook up slightly to create a bigger loop here, just to fit the yarn through. That just sort of becomes an automatic process once you get used to it, but it might be something you have to think about the first few times you do it. Just because if it's too tight to get through, it's not comfortable. And also the stitches become smaller and harder to crochet in later on when you come to crochet back into that stitch. So yarn goes over the hook, the hooky part of the crochet hook pulls it through and then releases it. So you can see already we've got a few chains there, and all you do is you would continue chaining for as long as the pattern tells you to, or for as long as you want to.